With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The students, our question is select the set of incorrect statements from the ones given below, and the statements are A. Plasma is straw colored and viscous in nature. B. Eosinophils are 2 to 3% of total white blood cells. C. Lymphocytes are the second most abundant agranulocytes. D. Stroke volume is the amount of blood that each ventricle pumps during 1 minute, and the options are A, B and D, C and D, A and B, A and D. So let us discuss this question by discussing the statement one by one. Now the first statement is A. Plasma is straw colored and viscous in nature. So this statement is the correct statement. As the plasma is straw colored viscous fluid constituting nearly 55% of the blood, and it contains 92% of water and 6 to 8% of protein. So this statement is correct. Now the next statement is eosinophils are 2 to 3% of total white blood cells. So this statement is also correct, as eosinophils, which are the granulocytes, which are a type of granulocytes, and it comprises about 2 to 3% of the white blood cells, and these white blood cells resist infections and are associated with allergic reactions, and their count varies. So this statement is also correct. Now the third statement, lymphocytes are the second most abundant agranulocytes, is the incorrect statement, because lymphocytes are the most abundant granulocyte, not the second most abundant granulocytes, because there are basically two types of granulocytes. Granulocytes are a category of white blood cells. So the two types are monocytes and lymphocytes. So monocytes are also phagocytic cells which destroy the foreign organisms entering the body and comprising of 6 to 8% of white blood cells, and lymphocytes are responsible for the immune response of the body and are comprised of 20 to 25% of white blood cells. So this statement is incorrect, as lymphocytes are the most abundant granulocytes. Now the last statement is stroke volume is the amount of blood that each ventricle pumps during 1 minute. This statement is also incorrect, because stroke volume is the volume of blood. Stroke volume is the volume of blood pumped out of the heart by the ventricles with each heartbeat. So this statement is incorrect, as stroke volume is basically the volume of blood pumped out of the heart by the ventricles with each heartbeat, not during 1 minute, whereas cardiac output is the volume of blood pumped out of the heart by the ventricles per minute. This is for cardiac output. So this statement is also incorrect, and the correct option here is C and D. C and D statements are incorrect. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.